How to post or share a Threads post in your Instagram story. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so follow up with me. First, open Instagram and make sure you are switched to the account that you want to share this Threads in this story. So I want to share it to this one's story. I go ahead and switch to it, and then I go to the Threads. From here I can go ahead and create a thread post by tapping right here in the bottom and then creating my thread post and then tap on post. Or I can just choose any other post I find on Threads and tap on this paper plane right here and then tap on add to story, and it will take me directly to the Instagram app in my story, in which I can zoom in the thread post or zoom it out. I can tap on the letters in the top to add a text to my story if I want to. Once I'm done from the text, I can tap on done in the top right corner and I can place it wherever I want. After that, I can tap or switch to the right to switch in between filters. And finally, when I'm done, I tap on your story button to share it to my story. And that's for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. Thank you very much for watching.